welcome to the channel. In this video we will see how we can get the day name in Python programming language. In order to demonstrate this, I will import datetime module and then we will have the current date. I will call it as cur date equal to, we can get the current date by using the datetime module. So it will be datetime.datetime.now, and then we will extract the day name from this current date. To get the current day name, we will use strftime method. So it will be current date dot strftime, and here we will have percentage capital A, and this will return the day name, and we will store this in a variable day name, and then we can use the print function and we can display both of these values. So it will be current date and then day name. Let me save this program and let's run this. The date is 20th December 2024 and it is Friday. So this is it guys for this video. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, hit the like button. If you don't like it, hit the dislike button. If you have anything to say, write that in the comment box. For more tutorials, subscribe to the channel.